Hey, want to take professional headshots for free? Come check out Career and Leadership Development's free Iris photo booth located in the Hub in the Administration Building, room 254. It's open Monday through Friday. You can take clean, professional photos of yourself in just a few minutes. Either make an appointment on Navigator or just drop in. Tip: dress in business casual attire to get the best results from your photos. Here's how it works. First, tap the screen to get started, then sign in with your email. Once you sign in, you'll see a short video with tips on how to pose like a professional. You can watch it or skip this step. Now it's time to take your photos. Choose your timer, either a 3-second or 6-second countdown, then get ready to take your photos. You'll get to take 3 photos total with the option to retake one of them. If you're happy with them all, just hit skip retakes. Now it's time to edit. Select the photo you want to edit first and tap edit photo. From there, you can crop your picture, apply an AI enhancement, and choose a background that looks professional. Once you're done editing, click Change Photo to go back and work on another one, or hit Confirm to send the finished photos straight to your email. You can edit the photos further at home when you've received the email. And that's it. Quick, easy, and completely free. Come to the Hub in ADM 254 and take your free headshots today. Like your results? Share the video and let a friend know where they can get free professional headshots too.